In case any of you lot are wondering what I usually eat in my day-to-day life, then these potatoes have been one of my all-time favorite staples. It's literally as simple as dicing up these russet potatoes. Russet always ends up working out the best, kind of like why they are the best for fries. They're not as waxy, so they're nice, fluffy and light inside, and they crispen up really quick. But I don't even bother soaking it in the water. This is supposed to be a quick potato dish that you can have with any of your proteins in your day-to-day life. No fuss needed. Just toss up these potatoes after you've diced them and rinsed them and patted them dry with a bunch of olive oil. You can also put that olive oil in a spray bottle instead of using the pressurized ones, and just use lesser oil as you need to get these potatoes perfect. The best part about them is you don't really have to babysit them. I tend to just start the air fryer at around 425 Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. Just let it cook while I do everything else, kind of like tonight, where I'm cooking some taco style meat. Once they're done, they're gonna be crisp, golden brown, just like this. I do like to give them a toss before I let them finish cooking, about halfway through the cook time, and by the time they're done, they'll be beautiful golden brown crisp, just like this. Have it right away, or even better, if you have an air fryer, I tend to just make a bunch, put this in the fridge, and next day just reheat it in the air fryer, and they're as good as new. Super delicious, easy potatoes to help with your meal prep. I'll see you on the next one.